Hi all, Jay from Drive EV. Today we are going to try and answer a question that a couple of our customers have asked, and that is, what do we do if we get a flat tyre? Most modern cars and nearly all electric cars don't come with a spare tyre. The manufacturers think that an extra wheel is more expense, more weight and more power consumption, whilst also occupying a large amount of the rear crumple zone. So we do sell an optional kit to add a spare tyre if you're keen, but what do you do in the event of a puncture? Well, in this video we'll try out the kit that comes with your car. We will puncture a tyre, we'll do a roadside repair with that kit, and then we'll take it into our local tyre place and we'll see how that affects the longevity of the tyre and if they can repair it back to normal spec.
Well, when it goes pop. You're on it, but I think you might have go back. Just reverse out. Yeah, you just broke the tire, Jay. No, yeah. That looks broken. It's probably in there somewhere. Not doing any of the hissing thing though. This is very anticlimactic. I'm very sorry, people that are watching this. The science. Oh yeah. Oh, that's definitely in. There we go. There's definitely a hole there now. Oh yeah.
Well, that looks pretty flat to me. So if we have a look in the back of the car, yeah, it's pretty flat, mate. It's pretty flat. Now all the kits have different instructions, so I'm not going to go into detail here, but the basis of it is you fill it up, you pump it up to a certain pressure, drive for a little bit to make sure that the goop gets into the hole, drive it slowly that is, and then you'll stop, check and top it up again before driving to your destination and hopefully getting it checked by a proper tyre place. So now we drive around a bit to make sure all the goop gets in. All right team, it's more than the next day, it's Friday. We started this project on Tuesday and the tyre's still up. It is definitely lower. It's at a guess, I'd say it's at like 10, 15 PSI, something like that. So definitely lower. You would have had to top it up, but it would have got you home. You can see an awful lot of the snot got stuck on the side of the tyre when we took the pump off, but it is peeling off, so that's hardly permanent. We did park it with the hole at the lowest spot to give it its best possible chance, but that would work. That would have got me home. We'll have to finish off the video where we take it to the tyre place and see if the tyre is permanently repaired or if it has any balancing issues or anything like that. We'll have to finish that off in another video. Something's got in the way of our tyre place letting people in, I'm sure you can imagine, but we'll come back to that. As it stands, the tyre has held up for a week, so I would have no problem in using this as an emergency fix.